If you wish to add a third or fourth device to Logi Flow, this is what you're going to do. You're going to open the Logi Options Plus app on your computer, and then you're going to select the device that's currently connecting you through the Logi Flow. From here, go to the Flow section and click on Add Computer, and then it will search for a third device. Bear in mind, you still need to go through the same process of adding the third device. They need to be on the same network. They need to be connected to the same device on a different channel, and you need to have installed Options Plus and set it up on that specific computer. If the computer is not found, then just go and ensure that all of those three have been done. Then you can click try again, and once it's been successfully detected, you'll have 3 computers successfully added to Logi Flow. This means that you can now easily move cursors between each computer, move windows, and all sorts of items. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.